some nerdy, really deep maths, statistics stuff going on that you've seen that you haven't had a chance to talk about?
No, I think the biggest one that really comes to mind is so we are partnering with some bright individuals at Harvard. We already have partnered, sorry, at Harvard University and specifically at the Brigham's Women's Hospital. And then on top of that, Sear Inc. And so the reason why I bring these guys up is because what we wanted to do is kind of follow in that follow and but in the footsteps of creating a biological clock, but really taking it to the next level. Because nowadays, with a lot of the new sequencing platforms, we are not biased to only a certain number of proteins that we know are associated with age. We're not biased to only a certain number of metabolites. I think the coolest part is now that there's unbiased targeting of, let's say, proteomics, the Seer platform has been very crucial and very pivotal in unbiasedly understanding the level of a specific protein, and then using that as a way to identify maybe other proteins that are highly associated to biological age, without really limiting yourself to let's say your CRPs or IL-6s that traditionally have been really tested. Not saying that they're not important, but what if there's more
Yeah.
that we're not really touching on? And so that's what we've been doing, and we've already collected. So using the biobank at Mass General Brigham's, we've been able to sequence not or well, we've been able to let's say, quantify the DNA methylation of 1,500 individuals, and the same individuals had DNA methylation characterized, their proteomics using the Seer platform characterized, their metabolomics characterized, and then on top of that, we have all of their like full uh, physiological, tests, like their actual lab tests and their relative, cell levels and things like that, spirometry levels. And so by having all of those matched data sets, we can then hopefully generate a model that takes every single one of those aspects together to give a more complete picture of their aging process.
That sounds like a lifetime of work with all that data and all that all those many different things you could be looking at. How Yeah, it sounds like a lifetime of work and it's something that you'll be spending a long time on. Um,
We have
yeah,
to underline that there are a lot of very bright individuals working on it, and I'm just really happy that True Diagnostic and our team, we're really putting in a lot of energy into there. So, we're part of the cog, but this is stuff that would needs to be done, and
yeah.
we're hoping is that it makes a huge impact in at least um, allowing people to really better understand their aging process.